Guys, we got a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. This is the baby. We got a muffler leak over here, but it's really not a muffler leak. It's this guy right here. This is where the gasket goes. This is what's leaking right here. So we need new bolts here. See these bolts deteriorated. We need new bolts and a gasket. Okay, that's what we're gonna do over here. It's gonna be a little bullshitty job here, but we'll figure something out. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna fix this leak. You hear that noise? It's coming from right here. Okay, we're gonna fix this baby right now. If you don't fix this, the whole muffler can fall. This thing will start to rattle. Anyways, we got ourselves a gasket right here. That's the part number, and we're gonna fix this baby. All right, so these bolts are kind of deteriorated, so I don't know if they're soldered in, welded in, because it could have been a nut from the top, but the top part is all gone, so we're gonna have to eliminate this side as well. But since this is old, you don't know what's gonna happen here. It doesn't look so bad, but still we don't know what's gonna happen here. So we need to figure out what size fits on this. It might be, okay, 19 kind of goes on it. On the back end, we probably not gonna have no type of size. Okay, I'm gonna have my friend here hold the camera for me here. What I want to do is, I am gonna try different sizes, and I am gonna try to tap this in, and 17 fits on it good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is make sure there's no components here like lines, fuel lines, anything leaking. I'm gonna try to heat this up, but like I said, the top part is gone. So I'm gonna heat this up for a little bit, and let's see if this turns out. If it's soldered in, welded in, then there's not much we could do. Anyways, let's wait till it gets hot. Let's start. Yeah. All right, so I hammered the socket back on. It's nice and hot. Let's see if it moves. Ah, it free played, so it's kind of all rusted out. Oh, that's perfect. There you go. The nut is off, so it is kind of stud from the opposite side here, so we're not gonna mess with this one. We are gonna have to take off the other one. We could put a nut on this, and that should take care of that. Let me just see the condition of the back end. Yeah, the back end looks good. This side is gone though, so we're gonna leave that one alone. Perfect. We'll put a nut and bolt here. Okay, so this one's out, reusable, but this one is all shot. Long as this stud comes out of there, we'll put another one in. Same thing, I'm gonna heat it up. Should snap off. I'm gonna give it a good 3 minutes and then try to get it out of there. All right, I'm gonna tap the second one, 17 millimeter. If it breaks off, that's good. Don't need it, don't want it. Okay, that's not the size. I'm gonna go one size down. So I'm gonna try 18. Oh, this is a 16. 16 fits really well. We're gonna try this guy now. Watch eyes. Okay, there you go. Perfect. That's what I wanted. We don't need this guy. All right, so now this should be apart into two pieces. We're gonna take a quite big little break here, and then we'll come back to it. There's the gasket, is gone. We're gonna match up some bolts, studs, and we put on a new gasket. It's nice and clean. Get every piece of it off. All right, we're gonna let it sit for a little while. I'm gonna fish some bolts out and we'll put the gasket on. Okay, it's time for us to install the gasket. So this is the baby right here. This little nasty looking shit is a road part. That's what they put on the road. I did a video on this. I don't even have the numbers on it, but the best stuff you could ever get. Got me a lug nut here. I'm gonna work with a lug nut today, better than what they had on. And this fits on it perfectly. Let me just see if it fits. There you go. Fits on it perfectly. It's probably gonna be a little rough because the bolt is rusted out. That's why I'm gonna spray with the best penetrating oil. This is like a $40 bottle here. This is not no WD-40. I'm gonna spray this right here so our nut can go through and easy. Got me another one right here for the opposite side. I'm gonna put this baby in right through here. There you go, perfect. Now I'm gonna let my friend hold the camera. So this is the good stuff. Hyundai should be putting this. This is aluminum, okay? These bolts are made out of alloy, aluminum, whatever you want to call them. They never rust out. They never die. Very light. And this is a lug nut, heavy duty metal. So this is the gasket. Part number I already showed you guys. Nothing expensive. But the gasket alone sucks. I hate these gaskets, but you can't buy nothing else. That's why I put this stuff on it. And I can't touch the camera no more. I told my friend here. So this is good stuff. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna submerge this all around. Get some more, just enough for his ass. It's like probably like $20 for that sealer. No one will show you this, okay? Do the same thing on the opposite side. Keep the camera a little bit high for me, please. And I'm gonna just squeeze it out. Just enough all around, okay? You only gotta get it around here. You don't have to worry about where the bolts are. And what it's gonna do is, once it heats up, dries up, it's gonna turn into some heavy duty sealant right there. A little bit more just for this side. And there you go. This baby is gonna go. Let me switch on my light. Let's get a good angle here. The light's always issue. There you go. So this is gonna go on to the two studs, the bolts. I don't know why this one's not straight. There you go. Okay, we do got an issue here. I'm gonna have to come out on this. Let me get this in. And now the exhaust is gonna go together. There you go. Perfect. Beautiful. All I need to do is lock these two babies up. I'm gonna put it nut on this side. And we're gonna get our stud for this side. If your stud here is damaged, it's done, shot, you could just bang it out of there, just hit it with the hammer, it should come right off. So you know what I'm gonna do? I don't like this little guy. So I'm gonna try to find another one, so we'll be right back. All right, we got our new nut here, beautiful. Let me see if I can manage this myself right now. So it's gotta fit in there really good. It doesn't have to, it could sit on the tip here, doesn't matter. If you could get it to go inside, that's even better. Let me flip it around. Because you're never gonna find the perfect stuff anymore. Because the stuff they use is special stuff from the manufacturer. So it's gonna sit on the tip there. And you don't wanna go crazy either, locking those bolts in. So they're both 19 millimeters. So let me switch up my socket here. And I'm not gonna go crazy with tapping this because I think, can you hold the muffler straight back there? Back there, hold the muffler straight. There you go, bada bing. Look at that. This thing is nice and in. And I'm gonna lock this up a little bit more. You're not gonna see that part because I have to hold the wrench and turn this. But this side is in. That's it. Next, we're gonna check, see if it leaks. All right, a little bit right here. There you go. Alright, so I have to hold this from the back. Stay behind the light. I'm gonna turn here. See how I was spinning from the back? Now we're officially locked in. This thing is nice and solid. My tart there, you're not gonna find it but online only. It's gonna help this thing stay there for years. And usually without that, the gasket will fail. That's it. I'm gonna put a tap of silicone right here and a silicone right here that will prevent these from backing up, loosening up, and that's it. But we're gonna test this, see if it leaks. Let me bring the car down and start it up. All right, my friend's in the car. He's gonna start the vehicle. Let's take a look. Go ahead. There you go. Silent like a newborn baby. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.